Hey guys, today we're going to be playing some good old Area 51. I'm going to go find some aliens. And today we are joined by a Silver Fox, right there.
Hey! Josh is me.
Josh, yeah.
Die!
Let's go down there. Let's go check it out.
1 second. Wait.
Well, I found a
Hey,
first
invade
aid.
Area 51! Let's go, brother!
I have a deagle. Are you guys?
I'm pretty sure this isn't a doggy eagle.
Evoker, stay back, stay back. I don't want to get evoked by you. I don't even know what that means.
Beast.
He sliced me up.
That's what I'm doing right here.
I'm sad now. I'm sprinting. You'll never catch me. I'm the.
Die!
I don't think this stuff is in Area 51. I'm so. Oh, my health. Oh no.
Is he dead yet? He's not dead. He's still there.
We have to invade. We have to save the aliens.
You have to save Ben 10.
Who's that? I found a soldier zombie. Reload faster. We got him. Oh, he's dead. He's down.
1 second.
Look at Super Luigi Ash. This kid is gaming. This kid's balling.
Yeah, this is not a Desert Eagle. 'Cause even if it was, I know it would be a really bad version of it.
Let's take this kid hostage.
Oh!
Are there any plans?
Die!
There's plans! Whenever you hear a scream, stop working and run for your life. That's a good motto. I live by that motto right there. If you work in Area 51, you live by that motto. Like every day when I'm working in Area 51, I live by that. Like if I hear a scream, I think of the core aliens we've locked up, and I dip.
Then we shoot them because they're annoying.
Yeah, we don't like aliens. Aliens are a little bit.
Whenever you hear us scream, stop working and run for your life. Oh, I found it.
I found all. Oh no, Josh. Oh no, the evoker's back.
Die! Oh yeah, 2-shot kill, my dudes. I don't see Ben 10 anywhere.
Yeah, Ben 10 is an alien, so he has to be here. We're in Cell 18. How do you get a high? There's a kid who has a score of like 14,000. This kid's been raiding Area 51 with like. Raiding Area 51.
The man with claws just beat me in a fight when I have a gun.
Oh no, that's not good. We're exploring the depths of Area 51. Oh my gosh, what is that? Oh no! Chill with that.
Thanks.
I don't think this thing dies. I want to go down there, but I don't want to go down there. Oh, chill. Okay, I'm gonna need some help, Silver.
Oh.
Get down there. Ha. No, you ain't come up here. No.
I was Jack! Sonic, no! Please! You're my hero. Oh, that's not nice.
You're not coming up here. Yeah, you can shoot me all you want, but you're in timeout. You've probably said some swear words in the server, and you don't want to have that. So.
Sonic said big swear.
This kid said big swear. No, he got up. Get down there. You're done.
Sonic said big bad word.
I'm on the train tracks, and I'm looking for anybody. I don't trust.
I locked him in. These people are all dead 100%.
Oh no, what is happening over here? Look how big. Why is this gun so big? I don't understand why it's like bigger than my arm. Like I don't really get that.
Yours is big small.
Okay, don't get. Which Thug Life guy said K, dude? He's like, okay. He just said K randomly, like, My first.
And
And then he's like, hey.
Stop working. No, stop.
Guys, we haven't found Ben 10 yet, so it's not looking good. Maybe we'll find Ben 10's uncle in here. Maybe we'll find Ben 10's uncle.
Oh,
Oh no. There's like 3 lurkers. There's like 3 lurkers. This is not good. This is not good. Okay, I got one. There's 2 others. You gotta get here, Josh. You gotta get here.
Stop. Yes, please.
Look at those bullets just curving. Like that makes a lot of sense, doesn't it?
Where's Here's the Desert Eagle.
When I pull up on
50. Yes. I have a Eagle. It's a really bad representation.
He's dead
like
now.
Block,
Oh no. We can't have that, can we? We can't have that, can we? You're super. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna run away from that situation altogether. We don't want to have that.
Why?
We just got attacked by a big white monster that was crouching.
Die! Stay away from me, you freak!
Oh my god, is that Dan TDM? Oh my god.
No.
That's Dan TDM fan.
Oh.
Dan TDM fan, is that you? That's my favorite guy.
Is that the biggest fan?
That's Dan TDM fan. That's my favorite. That's my best friend.
Wait a minute.
There you are. Let's do this. I found Super Luigi Ash again. Oh, the kid with the boss. No. Josh, behind. No. Join a different server. I'll give you Tobucks. What are Tobucks? What are
I want Toby's Robux.
Tobucks? What are Tobucks? I've not heard of Tobucks.
I already explained. If you need me to spell it out, it's Toby's Robux.
Toby's Robux? Oh man, Toby's gonna get his first Robux.
They are Toby's
Let's
Robux.
explore Area 51 for a little bit more, guys, and then I'm gonna end off the video.
Already?
Okay.
I haven't found Ben 10 yet.
Yeah, we'll find Ben 10 another day.
Oh. I refuse. Oh. Yeah, kill him, not me. Why is there 2 of them?
Yeah, there's like 30 million of the guy with claws. What's down here?
Oh,
Stay back. Stay back.
Stay back, you.
Bright future's coming. A bright future's coming. In 2025. 2019. That looks pretty nice right there. How is that a bright future?
The Area 51 massacre of 2019.
Foxy the Pirate 62 sent me a friend request. Big fan. Oh my god, is that? Excuse me? Excuse me? What the heck just happened on my screen? I just got...
Big bad.
This kid named Friend killed me. Friend just killed me. A kid named Friend literally just killed me. Those arms, that guy looks scary. Next Marvel movie, when the Avengers raid Area 51.
Hi. The Avengers raided 51.
Floyd, stay back.
What happened
How do you have that gun? How? How do you have that?
After.
Whoa! Why'd you hit me? Why are you following me? Stay back.
Die.
Look at those aesthetics.
I did that. None of
That guy's a true. This guy's symbols Roblox nowadays. This guy's a complete god.
Oh.
They're killing the aesthetics. Stay away from the aesthetics. No, I'll save you. Oh no, they killed my friend. They killed my friend. I don't even know what her name was.
Your friend's dead.
Let's go deep Area 51 exploring and see what's down here. Let's check it out, guys. Oh no! Rackle, stay away from me! The bloom! Dude, I just juked you out so...
Go there, buddy.
I'm gonna go down there one more time, check it out once more, and then I'm gonna end off this video. Let's go check it out. Oh my god, my friend did aesthetic! Hello. I want to say hi. Hello. I'm not you. Are you serious right now? I was trying to say hi to my friend. Siri, go away. Siri, go away.
Big man!
My Siri just opened up, by the way, guys. Shouldn't have happened. Okay, let's
Hey,
go.
Siri! Hi.
These zombies ain't no match for me. They ain't no match for me. Bop. That zombie just took on some. Oh my god! What is this guy? This guy's creeping me out. Chill with that, friend. Anyways, guys, thank you for so much for watching. If you do see this, and yeah, have a good day. Peace.
Oh.